रग रग में दौड़े
दिल्ली सिटी आइकन अवार्ड्स 2020 में आप मेरे यानी यूवी के साथ हैं और आप सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत है। रेडियो सिटी एक बार फिर से लेके आया है द रेडियो सिटी आइकन अवार्ड्स एंड दिस इज द दिल्ली एडिशन।
Moving on to the next category of awards, we invite on stage RJ Guinea to give away Delhi City Icon Award 2020 for excellence in dental care. That goes to Miss Divya Kapoor, brand head Globe Dental.
रग रग में दौड़े
On behalf of the entire team of Clove Dental, I thank Radio City for nominating us in the Excellence in Dental Care Award category in the Delhi City Icon Award 2020. From the day one of the pandemic, Clove's focus has been on how to handhold our patients during these disrupted times. Safety was always our priority, but with this pandemic, our clinical leadership, our business heads, have been working day in and day out on how we can enhance our safety protocols, what equipments can we deploy in our clinics to provide safe and hygienic clinical environment. And kudos to our CCO, who's the Chief Clinical Officer, Lieutenant General Dr. Vimal Arora, and our CEO, Mr. Amarinder Singh, who have helped us to establish the 10x safety protocols. And I'm very proud that we are the first ones to come out with these 10x safety protocols, which means dental care with 10x safety now. And these protocols are now being adopted even outside of India in dental clinics. I would also like to thank Radio City for carrying out this message that yes, dentistry now is safe and you no longer need to hold on to your dental woes. Thank you, Radio City. On behalf of the entire Clove Dental team, once again, we'll all be thrilled back in our office to receive this award. Thank you.
The next category in Delhi City Icon Awards 2020 is for excellence in women's ethnic wear, and it goes to Arshia Tucker, Director TACFAB Fashions Private Limited.
रग रग में दौड़े
Namaste everyone. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Radio City for this prestigious Delhi Icon Award for excellence in women's ethnic wear. TACFAB has been a part of this industry for the last 70 years और मैं ये बहुत गर्व से कहती हूँ that I'm a fourth generation member of the same family business. At TACFAB, we deal in casual suits as well as party wear festive suits. More than this, we also encourage our customers to come to us for customized stitching in our design studio. This year at TACFAB, due to the pandemic, we are doing a very special campaign called Har Par Ghar Par with TACFAB. We encourage you to shop safely from the comfort of your home, and we will take care of all your ethnic wear needs. Shop with us at our Delhi NCR stores as well as on our website www.tacfab.com. We will also provide you WhatsApp virtual shopping experience so that you do not have to leave the comfort of your home. Thank you, stay safe and keep wearing your masks.
Moving on to the next category of awards, we invite on stage RJ's Adi Manav to give away Delhi City Icon Award 2020 for excellence in software research and development. That goes to Mr. Gaurav Rai, Director Maisha Infotech.
रग रग में दौड़े
Thanks Radio City for such a lovely trophy and giving an opportunity to me to lift this trophy today in the year of the pandemic where nobody is achieving any more thing, but finally I got something in my hand. So I started my journey 18 years back in the software research and development. Through that I gave many products in the market, but few of giving a very big name in the industry to me. One of my product is Roaming for World, which is one of the huge product, and that gives a world of free from the roaming structure. It's a telecom product, and which we have launched it in Sydney and making a good name into the Australia market. We are not stop only over here. We given in the next application in the market. We're straight away giving a competition to the big giant in the cab division. We make the app-based cab company, and is also successfully running into the Indian market, and many states we have came yet. So basically, we are into the research and development. We make possible to every company come up with the dream where they can, the less manpower can be run and automated by the software. That's we do.
Moving on to the next category of awards, we invite on stage RJ Guinea to give away Delhi City Icon Awards 2020 for excellence in innovative startup F&B. That goes to Anisha Goyal, co-founder Kaze Living.
रंग रंग में दौड़ है
Our customers love the hydroponic salad greens, exotic mushrooms, fresh berries, and dips. Excessive pesticides and illegal GMOs are almost unavoidable in India. As consumers, we are rarely aware of what goes in our food or how many people touch it before it reaches us. We are solving this problem by bringing food produced straight from hydroponic farms across NCR to your doorstep. The love and support we've received from the entire community, our customers, our employees, and our farmers has been amazing. Thank you, everyone. And of course, thank you, Radio City, for honoring us with the Delhi City Icon.
Moving on to the next category of awards, we invite on stage RJ Divya to give away Delhi City Icon Award 2020 for excellence in curing skin diseases. That goes to Dr. Nitika Kohli, Emil Healthcare and Research Center.
रंग रंग में दौड़ है
Thank you, Radio City, for awarding us this award today. Emil Healthcare and Research Center सफ़ेद दाग, विटिलिगो या ल्यूकोडर्मा, इसका इलाज पिछले 9 साल से कर रहा है. हमारी जो मेडिसिन है वो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस के द्वारा रिसर्च करी गई है और ये बीमारी जिसको एक सोशल स्टिग्मा माना जाता है, जिसको लाइलाज माना जाता है, तो एमिल हेल्थ केयर एंड रिसर्च सेंटर ने इसका इलाज अभी तक 2 लाख से ज़्यादा पेशेंट्स का किया है और लगातार टॉक शोज़ और अपनी अवेयरनेस वीडियोज़ के ज़रिए हम ये अवेयर कराना चाहते हैं लोगों को कि सफ़ेद दाग एक तो लाइलाज नहीं है और इट इज़ नॉट कम्युनिकेबल. Don't make it a social stigma, it can be cured. Thank you.
Moving on to the next category of awards, we invite on stage RJ UV to give away the Delhi City Icon Award 2020 for excellence in campus placement. That goes to Mr. Sunil Kumar Pandey, Director ITS Mohan Nagar, Ghaziabad.
रंग रंग में दौड़ है
I'm really thankful to Radio City 91.1 FM for this recognition, and I really feel honored. On behalf of ITS Mohanagar Ghaziabad, my team, I wish to thank to Radio City for this wonderful event where efforts of institutes, efforts of entire institute family are recognized, and such recognition definitely not only inspires us as an institution, but it also sends message among the students also that we are doing justice for our existence. I'm sure that this not only will inspire us, but also to the others, to other institutions too. That organizations like Radio City, who are in fact playing major role in creating awareness, especially in this pandemic COVID-19. Once again, I wish to thank Radio City for this award and recognition. Thank you so much.
Moving on to the next category of awards, we invite on stage RJ Adi and RJ Manav to give away Delhi City Icon Awards 2020 for excellence in astrology and Vastu. That goes to Anjali Chattopadhyay, astrologer Siddheshwari Sahai.
रंग रंग में दौड़ है
Thank you Radio City for providing me this award. सिद्धेश्वरी सहाय जेम्स एंड एस्ट्रोलॉजी 5 साल से अपनी सर्विसेज दिल्ली एनसीआर में देता चला आ रहा है और हमारा मकसद है सिर्फ और सिर्फ लोगों को ज्योतिष के थ्रू मदद करना. हमारी सर्विसेज जेमस्टोन्स भी अवेलेबल हैं. यदि किसी को कभी भी ज़रूरत हो तो जेन्युइन लेबोरेटरी सर्टिफाइड जेमस्टोन्स के लिए हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकता है 9999263124 पर. धन्यवाद.
The next category in Delhi City Icon Awards 2020 is for excellence in super speciality, and it goes to Dr. Brigadier Anil Khetrapal, Deputy Medical Director and Chairperson, Blood Center and Transfusion Medicine, Artemis Hospital.
रंग रंग में दौड़ है
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Brigadier Anil Khetrapal, Deputy Chief Medical Services and Chairperson, Department of Transfusion Medicine from Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. I take this opportunity to sincerely thank Radio City FM 91.1 for choosing Artemis Hospital as the best super specialty hospital for their Radio City Elite 2020 Delhi Awards. I am extremely grateful to receive this award, and on behalf of Dr. Devalina Chakravarti, who is the CEO of the hospital, and I thank Radio City FM 91.1 for giving us this honor. Thank you.
Moving on to the next category of awards, we invite on stage RJ Divya to give away Delhi City Icon Award 2020 for excellence in pet care goes to Dr. Anup Pandey, Veterinary Physician, Vets and Pets Veterinary Clinic.
रंग में दौड़ है
It's my privilege to be here in Radio City, and you people recognized our dedication and the hard work which we put in our clinic. We are working over there since 8 years, taking care of all the pets, and not only pets, street dogs also. And thanks to all my clients also to keeping their faith in us always, and I am promising that we will keep your faith keep your faith in us in future also, with our dedication and hard work.
Well, that is it for this edition of the Delhi City Icon Awards 2020. उन सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद, congratulations जो लोग जीते हैं और जो लोग अभी भी मेहनत मशक्कत कर रहे हैं. Well, we have the next edition next year up for you for the Delhi City Icon Awards 2021. तब तक जहां पर भी हैं स्वस्थ रहिए, ऐसे मास्क पहन के रखिए और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन कीजिए. Thank you so much to all the listeners for joining us. We'll see you on the other side.